Hello students, in this next session we are going to understand how to enter, edit and delete the data in a Excel sheet. It's very simple. As we learned in the last section, this is our cell name, means this is in column B, row 2. So if I enter data in B2, it is this selection by green color shows that this is an active cell. I can easily start writing anything and it will be shown over here if I have to enter a data. I can go to any cell and it will be active, right? So let us start entering some data. Say for example, I am writing here some text values for getting understanding. Say I write fruit, and now I want to go to next cell below this. So what I will do, I will just press enter and I will be into the next cell for the entry. Now I am writing vegetable. Again I have to come below, then I will come through enter. So if I have to come down to the arrow, then I will be using enter key to go in the next cell below, right? Now I am writing here dry fruit, say for example, right? Same way I can enter over here the numbers like this way. If I am here at vegetable and I want to go to the right of this, like this, I am moving towards the right of that cell. How it is going to be possible? I am doing this through tab or through arrow key, right? If I have to go towards the right, then I have to use tab or the arrow key. I can also use arrow key, which is being presented on your keyboard. I can use the same arrow key for coming to the right side. So I am putting over here the text values. This is the entry of the data, right? Oh, if I have by mistaken put up the data in this cell, right? And I don't want that this data should be saved. So what I will do, I will use escape. What I will use? I will use escape key if I want to undo my latest changes, right? If I have to use escape key for making undo of these changes, right? Now, if you want to make editing in the cell C6, what you will do, you will just double click on the cell and the cell will become active. Make the required changes and the changes will be done, right? The next is to delete the content from a cell. First method is to press delete button from the keyboard, and the second is just go here on the ribbon. There is an option that is clear all. It will clear all the content, formatting and comments from the selected cell. This is the difference between delete and clear all. Delete will keep the formatting, but clear all will clear all the formattings from the content, right? In the next video, we will understand how we can make more formattings in our Excel sheets to make it look more professional.